not trying too hard.
Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get better aim in Apex Legends in Season 12. So the first thing you want to do is grab an R99 and grab a whole lot of ammo. So once you grab a lot of ammo, before you grab a lot of ammo, make sure you grab a big backpack, because you're going to have to carry a lot of ammo for this. So after you grab ammo and the gun, you want to get a stock, a mag. I recommend getting a gold one, and it doesn't really matter what iron sight you grab, but if I was you, go for this one, or not, go for the red dot, the classic, but I like this one real quick. So if you're like a beginner, if you don't really, if you're a noob in this game and you really don't have good aim, I recommend just working on the first level, which is this one right here. You can go for like, I don't know, reps or like sets of maybe 150 or 200, depending on how good your aim is, like how like standard your aim is. If you find that really hard to do, then just to control the gun, then you should go over here and learn about the recoil on this gun. So like, just aim, don't hold anything, just let the gun be itself, and just learn the recoil of the bullet pattern. So since the R99, it curves a little bit at the end, I don't know where to show you, let's go over here so you guys can have a better understanding. Watch. There's like little zigzags, and at the end it does like some freaking left and right bullshit. So you may want to just learn the recoil first. You may just want to learn you just want to basically learn the recoil on the gun before you get to practicing on your aim. But yeah, I recommend just starting the first level for beginners, for noobs, or anything like that. After you like get the hang of it, once you get good at it, I should say. So yeah, so once you get good at it, you can just move up next level, like for this one right here, the second level. You know, try to go for 200 damage, 150, 100, whatever feels comfortable to you. But I recommend, if you really want to get better, I recommend going for something higher, like challenge yourself. This is what I do when I'm trying to warm up from a game, or when I'm trying to warm up for a game before I start playing. I just come here in arenas, on firing range, and I just practice shooting this freaking back target back here. I mostly go for 150, or if I can get higher, I go for that. I usually do 3 sets in a row. I don't do wait, no, I said that wrong. I do 3 in a row, 3 sets of 150. So if I hit 150 and I hit a 150 again, and if I don't hit 150, I do all over again. It starts back from straight 1, or I go straight from 0. So I'll give you an example. Look, so say I do 200 damage right there, or 300, whatever, 297, and I fuck up, I'll be like, oh damn, I guess I gotta do it again. So I do it again, I start back from 0 until I get 3 in a row. So there's 1 again, 2, 3. So I'm done, and I move to the next warm up. But since you can do like that for a challenge, you can do that, or you could just, do that, and then, oh okay, I hit 1 in a row, and then you mess up, like, oh okay, biggie, no biggie, huh? Like, no worries. I had to just have 3 in a row, so that's 2. Next time, and then you be like, oh, I didn't hit it. Okay, so what? You still have 2 in a row. Now you have 3. You can do that, or I recommend doing, if you really want to go, I recommend the first one, just doing 3 in a row. So like, So I hit one right there. You can do that. Or once you're done with that warm up, you could do this. I like to do this for like flicker warm ups, like a flicker. So you can grab a lot of ammo. It doesn't really, I mean, you have to really grab a lot. You can just grab 2 or 3 packs. I'm gonna grab this one. Actually, no, a red dot classic one. You can pick up a big mag because most likely you're gonna need a lot of bullets. Excuse me. Alright, so once you got your wingman, you may want to make your way over here and just start practicing your flicks like this. Just start slow for right now. You know, ran out of ammo. You can do a bigger challenge, like go more far. See? And I recommend just going for headshots. If you're having a rough time hitting the heads, then just go for the body, like the stomach or the middle part. So you can go for that if you're like a beginner of the game or a noob. If you're really trying to get good, I recommend doing this. You know, try to get good at it. Go a little bit fast. You know, I'm having a little trouble with it right now because Alright, so after you're done doing that, you guys want to grab an R99 and just go straight over here where this dummy is at. And you just want to practice your left and right. Just left and right. Just don't shoot yet. Just practice on focusing on the dummy. After you got the hang of that, so after you got the hang of it, you guys want to just start shooting then. Alright, just keep going until you get 3 or 4 or 5, doesn't really matter. Until you get good at it, and that's when you do it. See? See, I kind of missed that one. Yeah, so each dummy takes like 200 damage. 200 damage. 200 and, I don't know, 30. In game, probably the enemy is going to have, I don't know, mostly 150 or less, depending on what kind of shield they have. See, look, this one has 125. That's how much damage. That's how much damage you have to do. It's, you know, like 100 damage. You know, 75, 50, including their health. Sheesh. So that right there is his shield, and when you see the white bar, that's his his flesh. When you hear that noise, that means you cracked his shield already. So you literally have to do 100 damage. And I guess that's it. I mean, let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. If not, I have other videos I recommend, you know, to increase your accuracy or your aim, you know. If not, that's all it for the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.